Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review clay mask from the brand The Dermaco, and this is their 5% niacinamide clay face mask. This is for 499 rupees and the quantity you're getting is 50 grams. So let's talk about the packaging first. So it comes in a red cardboard box like this with all the details printed on the box. And this is how the interior packaging looks like. It comes in a white plastic tub like this with a silver cap, and it has a lid over here. You have to open this lid, and this is how the clay mask looks like. The color of the clay mask is light green, and it doesn't have any smell, and it also comes with a white spatula to apply the clay mask on the face. I was going to the Dermaco website and I got to see this clay mask, and I was really attracted to try this out because I have never ever tried anything which has I have never ever tried any clay mask which has niacinamide. I've always used something in serum or some moisturizer or something like that, but when I saw they have something in when I saw that this clay mask has 5% niacinamide, so I thought of trying it out. So this brand is sulfate free, paraben free, and dye and mineral oil free. I have oily acne prone skin, and I usually prefer using clay mask over sheet mask because clay mask removes all the dirt and oil from the face well, and it cleans the pores and everything. So I really like trying out clay mask. The consistency is quite thick, and it dries, or the color is light greenish, and it dries off within 5 to 7 minutes completely, and it doesn't have any kind of fragrance. So let me just read what the brand claims about this product. It says, mask on, oil gone. Get your routine with Dermaco 5% niacinamide face mask. Mask on and relax while it works on acne marks and controls sebum production. Say goodbye to your skin concern and go filter free in your next selfie with the 5% niacinamide vitamin B3 concentration supported with chamomile extract, which takes care of your skin with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And you have to apply this face mask for 10 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water, and it's advised to use twice a week. And yeah, so this mask I have been using for more than 1 month now, and I've been using almost twice a week this mask, and to be very honest, I have not seen any kind of major difference with my acne mark. I still have a lot of acne marks on my skin. I don't know how long it's gonna take to show the result, but I've been using it for more than a month now, and I don't see any kind of change on my acne mask. It's still there, and when the clay mask starts drying, it makes my skin very dry, and I feel I need to wash it off immediately. It makes my oily acne prone skin very dry after the application. Within 5 to 7 minutes it starts getting dry, and after 10 minutes when I wash it off, I feel my skin is looking very dry, and I need to apply the moisturizer as soon as possible, because I usually clay mask are like that. When you apply clay mask, it makes the skin little dry. So this mask is almost like normal clay mask. After the application and after you wash off your face with water, it makes your skin you might feel your skin looks pretty dry and dehydrated, so immediately you have to apply your toner, and then you have to moisturize your skin. I didn't see any major difference on my skin. My skin still have a lot of acne marks, and if you ask me honestly, 499 for 50 grams, it's too much. And this face mask, if you're using twice a week, then it won't last more than 2 to 3 months. And it's just a normal face clay mask which removes the oil from the skin, and which removes the dirt from the pores. That's it. Apart from that, I have not seen anything major on my skin. If you ask me honestly, I'll definitely not recommend if you're looking something to fade your acne mark or something. It's just a normal clay mask which will remove the oil and dirt from your skin well, which will clean your pores well, which will brighten your skin for a couple of hours. That's it. And honestly speaking, I don't think so I'm gonna buy this clay mask again. It's a normal clay mask, and do not expect anything major from this clay mask. It's just gonna remove the dirt and oil from the skin well, and it will just brighten your skin for a few hours. That's about it, nothing more than that. Yeah, so this was a review of this 5% niacinamide clay face mask from the brand the Derma Co. So I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.